Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is at time. Last class itself we had discussed about this topic. So what is time? Okay, this I am going to draw one clock. Okay, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, this is the formation of a clock. This is the center point. Okay. Just I am drawing two hands. Okay, one is the small hand, another one is the long hand. That is short hand and long hand. This is the short hand that I drawn it as small, and this is the long hand. So the short hand that is representing the number 1, and the long hand that represent the number 12. Okay. Now we are going to see what is the time. So the small hand is 1 and 12. So it is known as a 1 o'clock. Okay, what is that? 1 o'clock. Okay. This I am drawing to represent it clearly. Okay. Now, the short hand is in 3 and the long hand is in 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, what is the time? 3 o'clock. Okay. Short hand that represents number 6, long hand that represents the number 12. So what is the time? Very good, 6 o'clock. Okay. Now, this is the short hand and this is the long hand. Okay. Now, first we have to take the short hand. Okay. Where the short hand is present. So the short hand is in number 2. Then long hand is the number 5. Then how we can calculate the time? So the 1 that represent 5. Okay. 1 that represent 5. 2 is 10. 3 is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So 1 hour that calculate 60 minutes. 1 hour. 1 hour is known as 60 minutes. Okay. 60 minutes that we called it as a 1 hour. Okay. Then 2 and 5 that we called it as 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the time is 2:25. What is the time? 2:25. Okay. Then 2 is the short hand that represents the number 2, long hand that represents the number 9. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So the first number is 2 and the second number is 45. Okay. So you have to calculate like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. If you are having a number 12, that is 60 if you are got, we can just write it as a 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock like that. Okay. For other numbers, you have to correct the exact number. Okay. This is the time that we are learning. Okay. And also, in this chapter, we are going to learn month and weeks. Okay, month and the weeks. So how many months are there in a year? Totally, how many months are there? 12 months in a year. So what are the months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So there are 12 months in a year. How many weeks are there in a how many days are there in a weeks? Totally 7 days. What are the 7 days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So totally 7 days are there in a week. So totally how many months are there in a year? 12 months. 12 months in a year. Okay, 12 months in a year. Then 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. So you have to learn the names of the 12 months and you have to learn what are the 7 days. Okay. So you have to learn this. Okay. So first you have to learn how to see the number, that is clock, time. Okay. How to see the time. Then you have to learn the months of the year and the weeks. Okay. 7 days in a weeks. So you have to learn this. Okay. I hope all have understood, isn't it? You know how to see the time, isn't it? In your house, you can try it. Okay. You can ask your parents to help. Okay. Thank you.